down to here. Let's prepare with the balloon. It has to make it to here. By passing the balloon in the air to one another. And you can't let it come to the ground, okay? So let's get this started over. Are there any questions? Everyone ready? Here we go. People, the tips ready? Set, go. Feel this up, leave we need second, Don't let it touch the ground. SBA in second place. And first place, give them all a round of applause.
Pasang ko yung kasama din. Okay. One more panel guest from WCBC.
Thank you, guys.
3 players, guys. I guess this follower games will be the last follower games, okay? So we're gonna end up our ceremony, the naming ceremony. This will be the last follower games. 3 teams, okay? 3 players.
Like I watched him like.
Ay, dahil
Where's Andre?
I retained the title. Hot champ. Ito yung aftermath ng ano.
Sabi ni Devante, ikaw lang yung
Ano ba yung tinanong?
Sabi nga niya, ikaw grabe ka nag-produce ha. Gusto mo talaga. Christy!
Hindi ko marinig yung echo kasi yung
Oo,
mic.
puro echo yung mic.
Kaya
Kasi yung sa speaker namin dito sa kabilang ginagawa.
Parang hungo.
kahit nilagay ko yung tenga ko sa speaker, hindi ko pa rin maano.
Oo. Pwede na bang umuwi?
Ito, last panel game na daw ko eh.
Mag-round robin muna sila para mag-eliminate. Walmart, ano ba? Walmart na bin.
I'm recording everything.
Bye, Mark.
Bye, Marlo.
Wait, Mark.
Ingat next week.
Selfie muna tayo kayo.